Finally got a chance to try the Aura 8 open stock advanced flight controller in some wind. Actually, some what I would call some significant wind. It's at least 15, gust up into the 20 in north. About a 45-degree angle to the runway out here. I'm doing this in a little bitty scratch-built balsa electric plane. All up weight is less than a pound. 150-watt motor, 1400 3S battery, and using a Spectrum satellite tied into the Aura 8 open stock advanced flight controller. The whole purpose of this is to show you just how effective the plane or the flight controller is in a light plane in significant wind. So here we go. And yes, I am in flight stabilization right now. I don't think I ever would have got off the ground. And the winds decided to come up. Here in a second, I'll turn the non-stabilized, to give you an idea how impossible this would be without the Aura at least helping me out. Or maybe not if that wind doesn't drop down a little bit. Right now I'm hesitant to take the flight stabilization on, but I'm going to. Okay, we're in non-stabilized mode right now, and my thumbs are all over on the sticks right now. Back into flight stabilized mode, and that, believe it or not, folks, is hands off. Neutral sticks, thumbs off the sticks. This is going to head into the wind. Still in flight stabilized. We'll do another test with the stabilizers turned off. And I don't dare take my thumbs off the stick for a very long period of time. But that is thumbs off the stick right there. You can see the plane is all over the sky. And now back to flight stabilized. And those wings go level. This is flight stabilized, not gyro controlled. It's not a Guardian. Meaning it's just doing its best to stabilize the flight. All I can tell you is this is much easier to control the plane with the stabilizer on than it is with it off. Looks like I got some company out on the runway there. Go around and set it down because I know I'm sucking that battery. Give you an idea of what the wind is doing. Anyway, your Aura 8 open stock advanced flight controller, lightweight plane, and ridiculous wind. All for now.